there was a period of time, like last year, I don't have money for a pizza. I don't have money, no money, bro. And I was still thinking, I need the challenge, next challenge, and I lose and lose and lose.
Oh my God. Hello everyone and welcome back to another TFT interview. Today I have the pleasure to host Görkem, who comes from Germany and is one of the traders on our leaderboard. Welcome, Görkem.
Hello, what's up?
How are you doing today?
I'm fine. What about you, Anna?
I'm great. I'm happy to have you here. So can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what got you into trading?
Yes, my name is Görkem, or nickname Greco. It's Greek. I'm trading since 2 years. The first year was it was only stocks on eToro and a little bit Binance, but it was like gambling kinda. I just did just random stuff. Since 1 year, I'm trading Forex prop firms. It's like exactly 1 year now. I started trading Forex. It was a whole new world for me. And I knew this is what I want. Yeah.
This was the right thing. Interesting. And how did you find Forex? Online or?
Yeah, online. I didn't have a mentor. I didn't have friends who trade. I was only me and YouTube, and I watched lots of YouTube videos. If I should think about the number, I would say like 1,000 videos or more. Like really, I watched every YouTube video you can possibly imagine.
Wow.
And then there came like other videos, trading videos, like my Forex funds, the funded trader FTMO. And then I thought, what is this FTMO 100K challenge? What is a challenge, And then I clicked and watched the video. And then I thought, damn, that's the thing. I need to do this.
Wow, so cool. So can you tell me a little bit about the learning process? Like how did you find your edge? Did you change strategies or you found what suits you from the beginning? Like, can you tell me a little bit about the learning curve?
Yeah, important question. The trading learning curve is it's like a journey for its own. Like people really understand or need to understand it's a journey. Like it's a very big, long journey. And most people like me too, we try to skip the journey and make straight profits and live an easy life. But that's not the case.
Yeah.
In total, I lost over 20 challenges in total. I would say like 20, 23 challenges. And 20 of it was last year. Like this year, I only lost maybe 2 challenges, and got funded 5 times this year only. Like 5 times funded, or 6 times.
So you're going all in on challenges all the time.
Yeah. My goal is like on every prop firm have at least 500,000 funded, But back to the question, it's like a big journey, yeah. And the own character will change on the journey. Like your mindset, your life perspective will change. And if it's not changing, you don't learn anything. It must change. So I was very naive at the beginning. Like I thought it's easy, just make 10% and easy money. But it was very difficult because FOMO, revenge trading, emotional trading, over trading, over leverage, all this dumb psychology mistakes everyone's doing. And on the journey, I was trying to improve every week, every month, every day, because I understand I need to learn a lot. I just can't make 20K in 1 month. It's impossible at first, because you need to learn step by step. First leveling up your brain. And then leveling up your trading game. This was the job.
So can you tell us what did you study? What material did you find? And where did you end it? What are the things that you're using currently?
Yeah, I would say the first year, maybe the first 12 months, I was just always watching YouTube here, YouTube there, web strategy, Bollinger strategy, smart money concepts, volume trading, everything. Really everything, ICT, everything you can imagine. I learned, and I tried maybe for 1-2 weeks, and then I blow the accounts, and then I said, no, the strategy is fake. This
not
is
working.
not work, but the more time passed, the more I was like thinking in my head, I am very philosophical. Like I am thinking a lot, not only about trading, but I mean about life. Like why do we exist? What is this body? What is the consciousness? And the more I was thinking about stuff like that, the more I was like improving in different areas of life, like trading, sports, social life, because I was understanding the most important thing in trading, the most important thing. It's like the risk management. It's really the most important thing ever. Like people say, my strategy don't work. I'm losing 4 out of 5 trades. And bro, the problem is still not the entry. Maybe the entry, the root cause of the entry mistake is like your psychology. Why? Because you are entering too early or too late. And you don't even know this. This is like stuff you don't know. You make mistakes and then you don't know why you do the mistake. And I did every mistake someone can imagine, every mistake, and therefore I can now better analyze and give better solutions for the mistakes. And the number one thing is risk management and psychology. People still chase the perfect like strategy.
Holy grail strategy, yeah.
But for me, the perfect strategy is like the half of it. It's risk management. Like to understand, it's all about the mathematical formula for trading. Like trading is formula. You either win or you lose. The next day, you either win or lose. But how can you make the win and lose like it's going constantly up? How with a good risk management, if you always kept the losses, people like think always to the TP. They think, how much money can I make? How much money can I make? But I learned you need to fix that. You need to not don't think about the upside. Think about the low side, about the downside. How much can I lose? How much can I minimize my lose? How much can I minimize my lose? And always this is very important, but yet a lot of people ignore this fact. They ignore it.
It's because the greediness for the money is like getting the attention on the how much I'm gonna make, but we forget but I can also lose. It's a game of probabilities.
Exactly, it's a game of probabilities, and therefore I learned always think in both directions. Always, if you do a trade, for example, you're going long, still think about the short possibility. If you go short, still think about how it could go up. And then maybe you can change your stop loss, or maybe you don't enter the trade. Maybe you think, wait, this still can go up and I'm short. No, I'm still waiting for another confirmation, like stuff like that.
Yeah. What did you struggle with the most in your whole journey, and how did you overcome those struggles?
I think the biggest struggle for me was understanding that money will come later and I need to learn without getting any money, because I was always rushing. Like I am like kind of, my character is like a little bit aggressive in everything, like in games, in sports. I'm always trying to be on the front, and doing lots of action. So maybe it's ADHD. I don't know, but in trading it was like I always wanted to pass the challenge tomorrow or to pass the challenge next week, and always when I think this, I lose the account. And then I don't reflect myself. I just thought, no, I will go another challenge and I will win this, and then I lose it again, and then I think like no, I will do again, and then I lose again. It's like it was crazy for my psychology, and I learned really the hard way. I lost so much money. Like I didn't have. There was a period of time, like last year September maybe. I don't have money for a pizza. I don't have money. No money, bro. Really zero. Bank account was like minus, and I was still thinking, I need the challenge. Next challenge, and I lose and lose and lose.
Oh my God.
And then there was a time where I had really zero money. I couldn't afford no challenges. And I was like, I looked into myself in the mirror and like, yo, bro, is your psychology retarded? Are you retarded, bro? Bro, are you stupid? What are you doing with your life? You know, like, okay, you get a good payout or two good payouts, but bro, what are you doing right now, bro? You're like destroying your whole career, like your whole life. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Then everything changed forever. Like I made 2 months forced break, no trading, no charts for like 2 months. In these 2 months, I read 2 books, trading books.
Mm-hmm.
Number one was The Zen Trader.
Mm-hmm.
It's a mix of Buddhism and trading, and this book changed a lot in my head. And then I read Best Loser Wins.
Mm-hmm.
And these 2 books, they formed my mind. And while I was reading, I always think, damn, bro, that's so crazy. Like this is like me. This mistake I do, this mistake I'm doing right now, and a lot changed.
Yeah.
And I did 2 month break because we know balance is key in life, and people can't trade every day. This is not healthy. Even if you are profitable, trading every single day, it's not healthy. Someday your mind will get a burnout, or you will get confusion and stress, you know, and then your decision making will be worse.
Or yeah.
Like,
and like, so the main transformation happened after you read the books. Did you do something? Mm-hmm. And did you use something like? Are you trying like meditating or practicing any mindfulness technique, something like that?
Yes, always. Like I'm meditating or praying on a daily basis since 1 year, I would say now, because as I said, the most important things are the questions like not can I be a good trader? It's like, why do I live? Why do I exist? What can I do with my body and with my soul, with my mind? And how can I make maybe God proud or the universe proud? And after that, everything you do will be easy. Yeah. Trading. I'm trading right now, and now I don't stress about it anymore. Like as in the past, in the broke times, when I was broke, I was always like, money, money, money. I need more money, and then you lose money. You always you lose it more and more. Like it's like the human psychology. You can't get what you're chasing. You get what you're attracting. Like attract the money. Like read books, meditate, pray, journal your experience, watch interviews, and do healthy stuff with your body. Do sports, eat healthy, and good trades, and good money, and everything else. It will come later, like slowly. It will come like slowly. It's like attracting a cat. You know, you can't run to a cat like the cat will go away. You know, you need to chill, and then maybe the cat will come to you, and then you have the cat. Like the most important thing is like having a great understanding of market structure, and that's another key point. Like people like always looking for strategies. The most important strategy is, like I said, risk management, psychology, and the market structure, like to understand what's happening, you know. But people always looking like for setups, but don't always look for setups. Just try to understand the markets, you know. Like I have a few strategies. Like it's a combined thing out of a lot of things. Like when I start, I'm mostly looking first to the daily bias. Like I want to know what is really happening in the daily. And then we can go like in the details, like for example in EJ, like we are seeing this. What do we see? So I always mark up at first like the protected highs, the high which don't get taken out, and the high which don't get the low which don't get taken out. So like this. Okay. Now I am looking like for big order blocks, obvious order blocks. Like here we see a very obvious order block, and here is another one, but this is got taken out. And we see on the downside, like here is an order block, or here like big order block, you know. But I'm kind of more like looking for structures. Like we are consolidating here, like after the big huge drop. Like it's daily chart. We should not forget it. This is like 1 whole month or 2 months like this. And then we break out of this long consolidation. We break up, but couldn't take a higher high. Like we respected this order flow here. After that, we dropped 1, 2, 3, 4 times, like, and then we break out of this zone. And now it's important to see this, right? Like, we take the high here out. Like now I know the order flow in this moment here is like bullish because we got a higher high, even if it's a small high, but we know like technically there's more buying pressure than here. So, and now we have the small daily bias. Now we can go to 1 hour or 4 hours, and now we can look at here. This was the bottom we saw 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Like this is a strong magnet, like this area is like strong. Okay, now we are seeing here we had the break of structure on the upside. The price come back to this here to this fair value gap here and here again and shoot up. Okay, cool. Now it's interesting. We still respect the zone, like 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this is like whatever. Why? It's a strong area here. So, okay, now we are in 1 hour and we see like this is kind of maybe a trade entry for me. Let's see. Yeah, this is kind of like a breakout end strategy for me. Like if it's forming like an N, you know, like this.
Yeah, like a double top.
It got like this, now like an N, and then it's mostly breaking out. And if not, don't, you know, I don't care. This is the most important thing. I am trading like mathematically, like risk management. I don't care if I lose a trade, if I lose 2 trades. Right now, I don't even care when I lose 3 trades, you know, because I know the key thing is just trust the process, trust the system. Like here, we see it's like rising, and then I go mostly to my entries like in the 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and like here we could make after this breakup an entry like this, stop losses behind maybe the first structure, and if you want to play it safe, behind the second structure. And now we are looking which price action can we target on. And we see here, this is the main order flow, order block. And so we could make, this is the TP1, like TP1, and this could be the TP2, like now. And if this is not working, and like, for example, the chart goes like this, bro, I don't care. It's a 1 trade out of thousands of trades, you know? You would care if this is a loss when you over leverage, then this will hurt. But I'm always risking like 0.5% I'm risking, and everything is good. My TP is like 2%. It's like a 4-to-1, you know, or a 3-to-1. And therefore, I don't care when I lose 1, 2, 3 trades. It's all good. But
interesting. And like, do you so you do top-down analysis? You look at the structure. You mark up the key levels or order blocks that you want to watch. And do you have like any specific rules for entry criteria that should be fulfilled for you to enter?
Yes. The most entry confluences or the confirmations like are never trade against the trend. And how do we spot the trend? You look in the 30 minutes and or maybe in 1 hour. We can make another chart. Let's make this. So.
And do you trade like different instruments, or you have like favorite ones that you're just focusing on?
I have a few ones like EJ, UJ, or GJ. Like I don't trade gold anymore often because, bro, gold is the most traded thing, and therefore gold is the most manipulated thing, you know. And I don't have like time for stress, you know. I just don't want to be liquidity all the time. So
yeah, but you like volatile things.
Yes. So here we see, for example, this is like interesting right now. This is a euro dollar, and now before I say anything, we need to see the 4 hour. Okay, now we see here is an important order block, but the order block don't mean the price will bounce back. It's just here's an order block. Let's see what the price will do inside of this. And then we can make the next move, like, and we have here something. So, okay, cool. So, because of the fundamentals, we know dollar is weak right now. So we are dollar bullish, euro dollar bullish. So this is like another trade setup for me. Like when the price is breaking a new structure, we are waiting for the next supply zone for where we can buy again. Like, let's see here. No, I mean like demand zone. Wait, like here. The price is pushing. It took maybe the high out. We don't know. Let's see. No, it don't took the high out, but it took it here out, right here.
Yeah.
And when it took this out, we know, okay, like let's do it like how I'm trading. Okay, so we see here is like the break of structure. Yeah, and when the price is breaking the structure, we know the price will first go back to the next supply zone or the demand zone. Wait, I'm like a little bit confused right now. Yeah, I mean demand zone. And then here is the entry for us, like this move, break the structure. So we follow it back where it started. Here is the next valid demand zone. And then we are waiting until the price drops back in the zone in the smaller time frame. Like you can look at 10 minutes or 50 minutes. Or maybe 5. So
what time frame do you use to execute?
Execute mostly 3 minutes. Like we can make it like this. Like let's do this. So we see the price break the high. So okay, now I'm looking at what the price will do. I'm not trading like impulsive. Just wait, you know. Trading is 80% waiting and 20% executing. Like we're waiting and waiting. Maybe this could be an aggressive entry, you know. But to be this valid, we need here a break of structure. But now we're looking, price breaks. Okay, like this. Now I would be prepared maybe to make an entry when this zone here is broken and it still looks like valid for me. And we are looking at this. And no, like this is no entry for me now. Because we see the price is struggling here. So it will maybe go to the main order block, which create the new break of structure. And now we are looking at this like, boom. And now I'm ready. I am looking for entries. Like I'm looking like we find this, like this is the whole zone, but here is the smaller zone and here is the fair value gap. Like mostly I'm entering in the fair value gap or in the end of the fair value gap. Like a good trade would be like maybe this, like here would be an entry and stop loss always below the last structure points. Like this could be one, this could be one, or this, you know. And then what are we like targeting? We can look here. The price consolidated like 1, 2, 3, 12, like six times here. It's like interesting here. Here we have like orders from someone or some banks or hedge funds or whatever. And we have here a fair value gap. Like this could be TP1, this could be TP2, and TP3 could be, if we are still bullish, and I am bullish, this would be TP3, like above the last candles.
Yeah.
So, and then we're looking like, if this trade is a loss, I don't care, you know, like I really don't care. So we see.
So you take partials. Do you have like defined risk, how much you're gonna take from the partial, or you have like or you take depending on what you like to see? Like, let's say if you have like TP1, TP2, TP3, do you have rules like, okay, I'm closing 50% on the TP1, I'm closing 30% on the TP2?
Good question. I mostly like it always depends. Like, and here we see like this was the practicing for me. I'm always like practicing forward testing. It's the best thing someone can do. I don't do it. I was always back testing, like, you know, like I would say like dumb traders, like, bro, break testing. Wow, you see here, oh yeah, I could buy here, but bro, when this moment is happening in real time, you are afraid, you know, and therefore I can give a good technique how people can learn trading. Like I'm always doing this. Look at this now. I'm deleting everything. I'm like making this here symbols. I'm removing everything. So you can't like cheat. And then like you go 10 minutes and then you go random ass back, very back. So you don't know where you are and what's happening. Like so, okay, like here. And then we are here. Cool. We open the charts. And now this is like live trading, you know? Now this is like live trading. And maybe we can see if we can do something, or if I will blame myself now. Let's see. We see the price is dropping huge. 1 time, 3 times, 2 times. Okay, so we know the order flow is very bearish at the moment. Yeah. And now we're looking. We built here straight up liquidity and we take this all out. So now we're looking what the price is doing. Like this zone for me is interesting always. If there is one naked wick alone, it's like interesting for me. Now we're looking what the price will do. So, okay, it's in this zone right now. And before I enter, I need to see what is happening in the higher time frame. Like, okay, we need to see. You see, here's one more time a leg down. Interesting. Where's the next one? Maybe here, but this is invalid, or this is like weak, but here. So if this zone is not holding, maybe I would go short until in this area. And if it's holding, I am going long until this area. I learned like don't make the TP too high because like for example, like let's look at this. We are in this range right now, okay? So it wouldn't make sense if you like you make an entry here, your stop loss is there, and you target like this high. It doesn't make sense because yeah, you're out of this area because when you're out of this area like your TP, the price needs like momentum, and maybe the price before it goes here, it will like take more orders and then rise up. And because your TP was too high, you get stopped out, or maybe the price will like do this and then go up and then and here would be possible TP, but because you were greedy or your TP was too crazy, you didn't get taken out and got stopped out, So we're looking at what is the price doing here, and we see low volume. It's like it's like New York session right here. So
do you have a favorite session when you trade? In specific times, like I see that you use some of ICT's concepts. Do you use the kill zones? Like, are you specifically entering during kill zones, or you?
No. I'm mostly just looking at the charts, and then I can make my trading setups. Like, and if they got hits, I use it, and if not, I'm not use it. Like here, maybe I would go here like a short, but still we need to watch what the price is doing. Like this area looks good, but we have still a big wick, and the big wick here we see. So now this is maybe a valid demand zone in the smaller time frame. Maybe the price will now make a higher high, and here a lot of shorters will maybe get stopped out. But let's see what the price doing. Yeah, you see higher high. We broke the high. A lot of shorters here got trapped. And I'm still waiting, like, what is this price doing in this wick area? Like, we are now in the area, and we also have like a small fair value gap like here, but it's not that important, I guess, because this wick, now we see. Now the next valid area like is here, the next supply zone, the next demand zone here. This would be valid, but it can also rebound without going inside of this, if this move is aggressive, like, and now we are looking at it. Okay, it broke it. Now we break the structure and the change of character. Now I would possibly enter a short here. Why? Because we broke the down structure. Now we are waiting that the price retrace back, and then we can make maybe a short. And if we get hit, I don't care. Like that easy. So
for example, now you would enter there, and where would you put your stop loss, and where would you put your TP in this case?
It's very important. Like always. Let's make it go back here. Always looking at the structure. Like here, we see what's the price doing. Okay, let's wait for the next one. So when I enter, here we see this was a fake out, and now this is the zone with a high probability. Let's wait. Here this zone. So let's enter here. Okay, just to practice this and show this. If I enter here in this small order block, I would look where can I step my stop loss. I'm always looking to the behind. I'm not always looking in the past. So I can see how was the price action in which areas, and then maybe I can make my stop losses great. I see like here is a strong rejection area, and then it broke through. So maybe I wouldn't enter here because I see this, and I would wait and make a higher entry. Like we can watch what the chart is doing, and if it's going down, then okay, we don't take the trade. It's not the problem, Nah, look at this. If I would enter here, we would get stopped out. And because I looked at this, I didn't take the trade, I deleted it. So now we could make possible entries here in this fair value gap I shown, or in the zone. Yeah, we make the higher high, like in this area. So stop losses where I would look at and put it, we see here is the order flow, the order book is here, the last order book, and I would place it like in the near of this order book. Yeah, and I'm targeting like the next loss. Because we should not forget in a downtrend. And if this got hit, it's not a problem. Like it's everything cool. And when I'm 70% in profit, I am making half of my stop loss. Risk management, because you are good in profits. Why should you take not your stop loss at least a little bit less? I don't take like break even so fast, because most of the time the chart maybe makes like this and then you're stopped out. Wow, I still let time to breathe. Like it's all cool like this, and then we can see what the chart is doing, and suck. Our TP got maybe hit, and it was like 1 to 3 or 3 to 1, and here we see 4 to 1 because we adjust our stop loss in the trade.
Yeah.
And this is the game. Like trust the mathematics, set your own rules, and don't overtrade. Like really, don't overtrade. Like make 4 trades per day. That's it. 4 trades and 0.5% risk. And now we see here maybe is the next possible low support. Yeah. And then we see what is the price doing. So, okay, the price respected the area. Beautiful. Now we are here. Maybe next short entry in this zone. But we're looking above. Okay. The price, like this is like an interesting zone too. Here, this one. Like the price touched the zone like after the huge dump. Once, second time, third time, use it as a support, and then fly above and break it here. Like this could be an interesting zone to maybe make an impulsive short. Now, like we are looking now in the time frame. We could also enter.
So you're not always waiting for market structure break or for break of market structure in order to enter. Sometimes you go aggressive, sometimes you wait for
it always depends. Like people need to see trading like a game. Like when you play a video game, you have different special attacks, right? Like, and here in trading you have different special attacks on entries, like a safe entry, an aggressive entry, and when you know what you're doing, everything is okay. Like, don't gamble. Like here we could make an aggressive entry because we're in the OB, in the order block. We could make an aggressive entry. This is aggressive, like maybe a lower risk. Instead of 0.5, this is like 0.3 risk. Okay.
Yeah.
Stop loss maybe above the next big zones here. Okay. TP, here we have a fair value gap, so I would just use the fair value gap. Okay. So, and then we can look what is happening. So, okay. Price now reached the next zone, and above here I would make maybe my main entry, like in this zone here, because we see the price laddering down, down, and now it's like trying to move up. So now we are looking at this chart. Okay, we see this. We are like in this area, like where my nearly stop losses. Okay, and now we're looking what we can do, if this was a too early entry or not. So okay, the price is like consolidating. This is not a good sign. Like now I can imagine the price is like shooting up here. Yeah. If it would be weak, the price would already fall down. And this is what I mean with market understanding. Like you have an idea. And if the idea is not like forming, minimize the risk. Like maybe quit the entry, cut the loss.
Cut the losses.
Or if you think like, okay, let's wait and see what will happen. Let's see. You will see, like if you have good profits, you can risk this. But like if your account is fresh, don't trade like this trade. Don't take this. Yeah, we have this trade. Now don't take this. Just wait for a better like confluation. And now we see we are good in profits. We could cut the stop loss, but I don't. I'm still waiting until the price goes like in this zone here, and then maybe I will halve the stop losses. Yeah, see. The price is still rising, and if you take it's already break even, you got stopped out of nowhere. So now we're seeing, okay, the price, okay, see, this is risky, and now the stop out will, so okay, we got stopped out, and now it's no problem because we made a low risk here. Yeah, like here we made our original risk management, and we got like 150 pips. Here we lost 80 pips with lower risk, so we are still double in profits. Yeah. And now do this forever. Like you can't lose money if you're not over trading or over leveraging. Yeah. And
so you only focus on price action. You don't use any indicators. You're not looking at
no indicators, like nothing. Just pure price action. Pure price action. And that's it. Like you watch the chart, and if you don't like what you see, don't trade. Yeah. There are a lot of days where you shouldn't take a trade. Like let's see if I can maybe spot one more entry.
And so, okay. What about like backtesting? How often do you backtest, and how do you like use your backtesting statistics to improve your trading?
I mostly I quit backtesting. I'm always only doing this like forward testing now. I'm always like forward testing because I understand if you trade in real time. You don't have like time to look back and like here. It's like real time, like this action. And this is like really improving your trading. Like now, let's see, maybe we can make an entry here. Okay, we broke the zone. Maybe where will we go? We can't see it because we're in a too short time frame. We look 2 hours. Okay, like we're in the zone. Maybe, yeah, this is the leg, the lower leg, and it will go at least up to maybe the next wallet order block. Maybe only until here, and then maybe it will drop. Yeah, and if this is not the case, maybe here above. And now we're looking at this. Okay, and we see it makes lower lows. So the trade is like very dangerous, and we're at rock bottom. Yeah, we are at the bottom. And look at this. Mostly after this, it forms another breakdown. See, it's always the same. It's always the same. I said here, it will make a lower low, and it made a lower low. It's like always we see that the trend is bearish. We see low volume consolidation. This means only 2 things: grab the liquidity here, and we grab the liquidity, and then shoot the price again down.
Yeah.
And now this will go always like this until the structure is changing. And then if the structure is changing, maybe you can look for potential reversal entries on the upside. Like let's see what the price will do. If this low will hold, it's fine. Okay. Look at this change of character. Okay, valid. We broke this low, this high. We broke this high. Now we're waiting until the price is maybe retracing to the next wallet demand zone. Like we can make here entry or an aggressive entry in this demand zone. And now we're looking. So the price is here. Potential aggressive entry number 1 is like here. But we have here a fair value gap. Therefore, it's like risky. Yeah. I don't like this. Would be not a good quality trade. The good quality would be downwards. Like now we're looking at this.
Do you have any like specific rules about risk to reward? Like let's say I want to see minimum 1 to 3 in order to enter. Otherwise, I'm not entering. Do you have like such kind of rules?
Yeah, my main rule is like I wouldn't trade 1-on-ones. Only if the setup's really clean and I have already profits. Then I would make a 1-on-1 with a higher lot size. Like then I either win 2,000 or lose 2,000. But this is like the special attack. Like you don't do this always. Maybe once in a week or so. It's like trading is a beautiful game. Just people need to
spend the time to learn and
spend the time. Like see, we made the entry and the price is like consolidating. So don't take the trade or like exit it here and wait, or like or go away from your PC. You don't always need to sit on your desktop. And here we see we made a higher high, but not as I expected. You see, I made the TP a little bit higher, but it looks like I mean this trade's already too long. Like in real time.
Like when you said too long, are you a day trader or?
Yeah, I'm intraday trading. Like most of the trades are under 1 hour, and like here my really realistic exit would be here. Like this or in this zone. I wouldn't wait like, bro, this is too much. Look at this. It's like here, we made the trade at night or the day before. I wouldn't let it run like this long, It's like most of it trading in 1 minute. Okay, now we can't see it, but like this. It's like trading is really not that complicated. I can show one more trade I made, which gave me like $5,000. I know this trade because a lot of friends from me, they got stopped out like here. They got stopped out here, and I was waiting for another breakdown. The breakdown. Okay, and now we see, but here we have a strong order block here and here. This is like the more actual order block, and then it rises, creates another order block, and rises. And I was expecting the price like what do we see? We see here a bearish order block and here. So that the price will touch this zone or touch this zone here. And why did I enter here? It's like my end breakout strategy, You're just looking for the price. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Okay. You're just waiting for the price, like this, to go down, down, down. And now you're looking like weakness or strength if the price is like stopping out in the same zone, And we see here
like compression.
We have here the big leg, the very big leg, and most of the time the price will dip a little bit into this big wick. It's I don't know why, but it's always or a lot of times the case. And we're waiting here for the price. We see the price is creating here liquidity. The liquidity will get swapped easy.
Yeah.
And we're waiting like, where can we entry? Entry here, or entry in this zone. And then we see wick down, we break this little structure, and then the price shoots up. We break all of this, shoots up, break all of this, and this would be my entry confirmation. I would accept entry because we see liquidity is here. We have here a few weak order blocks, and what we see, the price rise and shift structure. And this, like this trade I took many times, on 10th of, here, on this March, the same thing. And I took this trade too. I remember this, but not as big as the last one. I make like stop loss under the last wick and the TP in the next order block, like here. This was a 2.21 RR. Like, you can take this, risk $500, TP like 1,500 nearly. It's like 1,500. It's much.
Yeah. Perfect. I'm really curious how you're dealing with the losing streak. Like, with all the losing you mentioned that you lost so many challenges. How did you deal with it emotionally?
Okay. First of all, people really need to get smashed, okay? Because we are people and we don't learn until we get pain. This is facts. We don't learn truly until we feel the pain. So I lost a lot of accounts, and at the first it was very bad. Like I remember one time, like I was lying down on the ground, like I was like this, and like, oh my God, what the fuck just did I do? Why? You know, another account blown, like, and now I'm like a fighter who fight like 20 fights, and now if someone punched me in the face, I don't care, like it's okay, like I know this, and this is now my situation. I don't fear lose. I don't fear if I blow a funded account. It's all cool, because I now trust my risk to reward and my psychology on the long term. Like, always think on the long term, and nothing can happen to you.
An interesting thing with another trader who is on the leaderboard is he had the same approach. Like, he buys lots of challenges and he's like all in trading. He doesn't care about the losses. So this is something that you two have in common. Like, you don't get emotionally attached of a lost challenge or a couple of losing trades.
This is a great word, attachment. I said before, I read the book, The Zen Trader, where I made my 2-month trading break. And the book said, like the Buddhism, like Buddha said, number one rule of life is suffering. Okay, now we're thinking, why is life suffering? Life is beautiful. Rule number 2, attachment leads to suffering. So that means life is suffering because we can't let go. We can't let go of ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend. We can't let go of old friends. We can't let go of the old job or you know, your old car or your mom or whatever it is, or your money, your money. You're afraid to lose money. Attachment, you're attached to money. And this is the key. Like relax, man. Like empty your mind. Calm down, like.
Amazing. What advice would you give to new traders that are just getting started?
Good question. The funny thing is, like, one more thing before I answer the question. I said I was 6 times funded this month only. This year only 6 times, and the reason is 2. I created for me own mentorship. You know, I was like. I have a girlfriend, and she have nothing to do with trading. She is like studying medicine, okay? But I'm always trading, and money here, trading there, account blown, funded account, and of course I'm sharing my knowledge with my girlfriend. So she one time said, damn, that's like interesting, and I said, yo, just play as a joke, like download MetaTrader 5 and I can help you and try, explain you. And a few weeks later, she told me, why aren't you helping other people? Like, you understand this. But and my plan was, I want to create a community, but my plan was like on summer 2023, like after I'm very good. But my girlfriend told me, why you don't start now? Because you can't explain it well. And then I started and made my own mentorship in German. And my goal was like 5 people until May. five students.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And now listen, this thing went out of control. I have over 150 students.
Wow.
And everyone is like paying. They're also paying money, and we have an insane community now. And therefore, this helped me because now I'm repeating what I know to other people. And while I'm repeating it in my own mind. Like now, my mind is like undestroyable. Like it's like golden. It's like diamonds here in my cup now, in my head. And to your question, what can I give to the traders, or what tips?
Advice, yeah.
I'm talking like every day with, it's now 20, 40, 50 people who trading. And I see, as a mentor now, I see what other people do wrong. And my advice is like, let's make it to 3 advice. And all 3 are golden. Advice number 1, okay, is you are only ready for a challenge if you can make a free trial 2 times in a row and pass the challenge, like on I don't know, FTMO free trial, or like on MetaQuartz, like just pass 2 free trials in a row, and then maybe you're ready for a challenge. But this is not the advice. Like, the main advice is don't rush the process. I know everyone wants to make money. I'm not stupid. I know it. Every trader, everyone who watches this video, everyone wants to make money. But back to my example, bro, you can't chase a cat and get the cat, bro. Or you can't chase a beautiful woman and expect her that she wants to you. It's like, my experience showed me, you attract what you want. Like I don't know, you want a supermodel, like, bro, hit the gym, educate yourself, be a funny, good person, have good connections, and the girls will come to you. Like you don't need to do anything. And this is the same thing with money. So educate yourself, make a good psychology, good mindset, have discipline, and the money will come to you, bro. Why are you chasing the money when you're broke? This doesn't make sense. And number 2 is like psychology. If you have struggles with your psychology, quit trading, make 1 week break, read the book, okay? And now you say, I don't want to read the book. Yeah, bro, then you will lose your money forever. You need the knowledge. And number 3 would be advice number 3, like, hang around good quality people. Because in my mentorship, like, all the people, they're thanking me, like, yo, Görkem, yo, Greco, this group you created is the best thing you could do, because now I can talk with people every day, and I'm always in the trading mindset. Like how do you expect to be very good in trading when you're the only one who trades, or maybe you have one friend, but you both are bad in trading? How you think you will improve? Like you need like some sort of healthy community. I'm saying healthy because on the internet there are lots of big trading communities, but most of them are not good, because like not every human is a good human. I'm saying like 90% of all humans are like a little bit stupid. I don't know why, but it's like my perspective. I'm talking with lots of people, and most people, they're thinking so strange. Like I'm always thinking, like, bro, like, why you think like that? Like, people say, I lost a challenge, I think trading is not for me. And I'm like, bro, I was rock bottom. I don't have money for gas or for pizza. I don't have no money, bro. Like, and I'm still keep going because I look at the long journey. Like, I zoom out. Yeah.
If you struggle, not giving up. And
if you struggle, zoom out. Like understand that you're at the beginning of the journey. And guess what? The beginning is the most difficult part of the journey.
As with everything else, not only with trading. Like the beginning is always the hardest. Yeah.
First 2 years or 3 years are the hardest. And if you still keep going, still keep pushing, still keep learning, bro, you will be a winner. You will be number 1 day. It's the rule of the universe. Like, consistency and discipline is key.
Yeah. What are your goals? Like, where do you see yourself in 5-10 years?
I
guess you're a full-time trader now. You're only focusing on trading in your mentorship group.
Yes, like I had like 3 jobs last year, because student and no money, like, but I quit all jobs now. I have one, it's home office, but I will quit this now soon. Also, no, I'm not working there. I'm not working there. Like I should work 40 hours a week. I'm like maybe a month, and I'm like working maybe 10 hours. No, like this job is like that. It's like for me, it's like time waste. Like, but to the people, don't fucking quit your job, bro. If you quit your job, you're really stupid. Like you can quit your job when you make a 2 years or 3 years salary. Then yeah, maybe quit and focus on trading. But if you don't make that much money, bro, still do your job, because when you hit rock bottom and you don't have money, bro, you're done. Like okay.
Yeah.
And to your question, my short-term goal is like one day hopefully getting $1 million funded trader. But right now, I'm not even looking at the money. For me, the most important thing is like now creating a community, creating a status, like people know me and recognize me, and now, hey, Görkem is a humble, smart guy, like he's loyal guy. Like I want to hear this, and therefore I'm sharing a lot of knowledge. As I said, I have a German mentorship, like with over 150 people. It's insane. It's really insane. And now a lot of people are chatting with me on Discord or on Twitter, on Instagram. And now I created the same mentorship on English for international traders, like, and now I'm just looking, like my real goal is like earning 6 digit a month, having multiple houses like in Germany, in Spain, in Turkey, in Dubai. Like this is all possible, and then like living like in Minecraft creative mode. Like in Minecraft in creative mode, you can fly and do what you want, and this is what I want. Like do what I want. Like that's it, bro. And to reach this, I really need still to work on my head, like non-stop learning, working.
Yeah. The work with the mind never ends. Like there is always something to work on and improve.
But with non-stop learning, I don't mean it's really how I say it, because balance is still key. Balance.
Yeah.
Don't overwork. Like I can say I have the most relaxed trading life maybe from a lot of traders. Like, oh yeah, I'm learning much, but I'm also chilling and relaxing much. But I found always like the perfect balance. Like, it's today, after this call, after this interview, I will hop into my Discord, in my community server, and talk with the people like for an hour. And then I will relax and calm down, chill outside with friends, and then coming back home and learning the night. I'm watching YouTube at night. That's my lifestyle now. And it's really not that difficult. No joke. The most difficult thing is just fixing your own head. This is the real stuff.
Yeah, I totally agree. Any last words that you would like to share with us?
Any last words? Okay.
You shared quite much.
Yeah.
For an ending.
Maybe this is my last interview, maybe, and maybe not. But I think it's the last one. So last few words for the last few viewers who really watch to the end, okay? Don't search for a golden strategy. Please, please, please. Don't look and chase a strategy, okay? The best strategy is like the risk management and your own set rules. Like my rule is max 4 trades a day, and if all are loose, I'm out, bro. I'm out. I go outside, go to my friends, to my girl, whatever, but I'm out. And if you don't or can't go out, then quit trading live account and trade, like if you have ADHD, trade with your demo account. Like people, I see it on my own community. People want to trade every day, every moment, bro. That's not trading. That's like addiction. That's like gambling addiction. You're addicted to gambling. Like you always want to trade, bro. No.
The urge for trading.
Fix yourself. And this is my last word. Fix yourself, bro. Psychology is really key, and balance is key. Balance in life, bro. Like one more thing. People think like, I don't have time for a girlfriend. I'm trading. Bro, I would say exactly the opposite. Get a girlfriend if you have the chance, because love is also important, bro. Love. You need to relax your mind sometimes. Like if you don't have love, bro, then you have family. And if you don't like your family, then you have friends. And if you don't have friends, bro, you have God, okay? God is key, bro. So God is always following you. And bro, if you don't have a good connection to God, sorry, but in my opinion, you're lost. Everyone who see this, if you're ignoring the connection to God, you're, for me, a lost human. And bro, if you are good in trading or not, bro, this will not change anything in your life. Like be realistic. And that's it, bro. My last words. I wish everyone good luck.
Thank you so much for your time, and thank you for sharing your experience with us. And I wish you best of luck with your community, with trading, with the capital that you are aiming for. And I hope to have a follow-up interview with you in the near future.
Maybe when
you hit the 1 million.
1 million. That would be crazy. That would be crazy. Anna,
yeah, thank
you very much. You are a great host. It was a nice interview. And
thanks to you too. I
wish you a great day. Have a beautiful day.
To all of you watching, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and show us some love in the comments down below. Trade safe, and until next time.